Hi there, welcome. I'm so excited that you're here today. I have February's class to go ready for ordering. So I'm really excited about this class because I absolutely love the colors that we used. And I have to tell you, it was a little bit of a challenge to use these two stamp sets and get cards that really showed off both stamp sets well. So we used the Bloom by Bloom bundle and the Amazing Life bundle that has those gorgeous, wonderful rectangle stitched framelits with them. And these are the cards that we made. So, whoops, this one's sideways. There we go. There's 4 of them. So, just so you know, when you sign up for my class to go, you get 4 card kits doubled. So you get 8 kits total, 4 designs, 2 of each. So you'll make all 4 of these, 2 of each of them. So you have 1 to keep and 1 to send, or you can send them both, whichever you prefer. The cost of the kits just by themselves with no bundle or any add-ons is $27. Shipping is included in that, so you're just paying $27 to get the 8 card kits. It's a really, really awesome deal. They come beautifully packaged, everything's cut and prepped and ready for you, die cut, everything. All you have to do is assemble and stamp. There's 2 exclusive videos showing you all 4 card designs, plus a PDF that has all of the information written down on it. So you don't have to stress or worry about if you're going to be able to duplicate the card or know how to put it together. We've done all of that work for you. So the other options are to purchase and add on the bundles, both bundles, one or the other bundles, just the stamp sets. There's lots of options. You're going to want to look at those options and sign up for those. Now, if you just want the card kits, you can just click the link, pay for the kits, and you're done. If you want more stuff, then you do have to fill out a form and I will PayPal invoice you. This card class closes on February 12th. So if you are not signed up and paid by February 12th, you will not be able to get the class. The next day, I purchase all of the products. They come to me over the next few days. I package it all, cut all the kits with my sister, and then we get everything mailed out to you the following week. So that's how it works. If you're interested, we'd love to have you sign up. You will love our card class. It's super fun, super easy to do at the comfort of your own home. Sit in your pajamas, watching Gilmore Girls and drinking coffee. All right, thanks so much for tuning in. Go to my stamp desk with me and I'm going to show you these cards up close and personal. Hey, okay, so here we are at my stamp desk. I just want to show you really quick all of the cards kind of up close. They're so pretty. So there is a supply list over on my blog, and there's also a supply list under my current class to go link. And these are the items you can choose to add on. So you can add on one of these bundles, both of these bundles, each of the stamp sets by themselves, individually, however you want, whatever combination you want to make. The link to sign up for my class to go is below the video. So all you have to do is click on the link that says current class to go and you'll be taken there. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see other videos from me, click on either one that you see here. I hope you have an awesome day. If you have any questions for me about my class to go, please feel free to leave them in the comments or shoot me an email at wendy.cranford@live.com. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.